Hey guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you step by step a simple step by step method that you can use to make money on YouTube without recording any videos. So if you are scared of recording videos or getting on the camera, this method is going to work for you. As you know, YouTube is one of the best sources of traffic that you can get on the internet, and it's free. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create simple videos like this one.
Potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta.
Like these videos, and how you can make money from it. For example, you can see this video has up to 3 million views, and the person and it's easy to create these videos once you know how to make it. So let's get right into the method. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to Clickbank Marketplace, and choose a product that you are going to be promoting on YouTube. So when you go to the Clickbank Marketplace, you can sort by gravity to see the top converting Clickbank products. So, for example, the Cinderella solution, you can choose any product from Clickbank to promote with this method. So you can promote multiple products using this method. So the next thing you have to do is you have to create a video. So with this method, you're going to go to a website called idplr.com. I'm going to put the links in the description. So what this website enables you to do is that it has a lot of articles that you can use as your own. A lot of PLR articles, which means that you can modify them and sell them as your own and use them as your own on your videos. So you just go to idplr.com, and you have to click on register. So once you register, you can get access to a lot of PLR articles that you can use on your videos. So you have up to 200,000 PLR articles that you can use on your video, and a lot more. So you can buy lifetime access for only $89. So, or you can buy for 3 months access $39, 1 year access $69. So you can choose any of these options. So this website has a lot of articles that you can use on your videos. I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to create the videos with these free articles. So if you go to the website, if you go to the website and scroll right to the bottom, you can see there's a lot of categories. There's business category, freelancing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, there's health, there's weight loss training, cooking, PLR, recipes, metabolism, lifestyle, tech, self-help, and a lot more. So there's a ton of PLR articles on this website that you can use in any niche that you choose. You can choose any product on Clickbank, and there's content on that website that you can use to create your videos with it. So the next step is I'm going to show you how to create a video. You have to go to a website called Content Samurai. So go to contentsamurai.com. I'm going to put the links in the description. And for the pricing, this website will enable you to create videos with these PLR articles. So if you go to contentsamurai.com, you are going to land on this page, and for the pricing, you can get this for $47 a month or $307 per year, but you can get started with a free trial. You can have a 7-day free trial before purchasing the software. So once you go there, you can just click on free trial, then it's going to send an email for a free trial to your email address. So that you can, once you fill that, you come to this page. They'll click your link, they send you a link through the email, and you can come to this page to create a free video. So you're going to come to app.contentsamurai.com after you have click on the free trial. So once you are here, you are going to be able to create simple videos from these PLR articles that you bought from idplr.com, and they are high quality articles. So to create a video, you're going to go to app.contentsamurai.com from the link that is given to you from your email, and you're going to just click on create video. once you click on create video, you can select the template, how you want your video to be. You can create there are different sizes of the videos, so you can choose if you are going to create a sales video. So for this method, we are going to be creating a YouTube video, so you can put on YouTube to get traffic to our affiliate products, Clickbank products, any product that we want, that we are promoting. So I'm going to let me click on this template. This is a preview of how the template will work, how the template of the video will be. So just click on use template. So now this is where you need your PR articles that you got from idpr.com. So for example, I have a PR article in the weight loss, promoting a weight loss product in the weight loss niche. So I already have this article in a notepad, in a WordPad file. So I'm just going to copy there and paste the script here. So that is it, guys. Just copy the script and paste in the script section of Content Samurai. So they are going to, what you need to do, you have to give a call to action so that people can click on your link and buy the product you are promoting. For example, I'm just going to click on space here and write a call to action. So you're going to give a simple call to action like this at the start of your video about the, so that a lot of people that are watching your video are going to click on the links of the product you are promoting in your weight loss video. So that is it, guys. So you just have to copy the script from idpr.com and paste it as a script at Content Samurai, and all you have to do is just add a simple call to action about the product you are promoting, and you don't have to write a script. The script has already been written for you, and they're high quality, and there are tons of them. There are many PR articles that you can use at the website, so you can make a ton of videos using this method. So it's good that you put a call to action about the product you're promoting at the beginning and also at the end. So for example, at the end, if you want to lose weight fast, visit this website. So that you have to put a simple call to action at the start and also at the end of your video, so that a lot of these people watching your videos on YouTube are going to click on your links and affiliate links, and they're going to buy the product, and that's how you are going to make money from this method. So next, you just click on create scenes for your video, and it's going to create the scenes automatically for your videos step by step. So this is a preview of how it's going to be as the first scene. So with that, guys, you also have an option to just click on next. Just click on the voice icon. With this step, you are going to be able to choose you're going to be able to choose you're going to be able to add audio to your videos. So you can add music only. You can only add music at the background of your videos, or you can choose auto voice, or you can also use your own, record your own voice. For me, I normally choose auto voice. So there are different people that can read your video while it's playing. For example, Heidi. Let me play.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video.
So that's it, guys. You can choose any of the voiceovers that you want to be on your video. For example, this one.
Hi, my name is Anna and I would love to read the
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script for your video.
So that is it, guys. You just have to choose a voiceover that is going to read your video, and that is all. Just click on preview. It's going to build the different scenes of your video with a voiceover inside. So let's wait for this to load. Okay, guys, as you can see, it has loaded the preview. It has loaded a preview of how your video is going to look once it's finished. So you can just click on this icon to preview your video. So let's see how it looks.
You want to look awesome for an upcoming event. However, your problem is you do not know how to lose weight fast. This is true that losing weight fast is a dream for many, which only a few people are able to realize. The good thing is you too can turn your dream into the reality by following right tips and putting dedicated carbohydrate or sodium content. Moreover, it helps your body get rid of and lunges. You need to get a plan for regular push-up burns. With the help of a good weight loss program, your body can burn calories every single minute of the day. The most important thing is to go for the best and the proven program to lose weight fast. If you follow the given tips religiously, your extra pounds will vanish easily and quickly. If you want to lose weight fast, click the link in the description below to learn more.
So that is it, guys. So it already builds the scenes for you automatically, so that you can. So all you have to do is to download the video and upload on your YouTube channel. So you can use this in any niche. You can go into the sporting niche. You can go into weight loss niche. You can go into the spirituality niche. As when you go to PR, IDPR, you can see a lot of niches that you get access to. So you can create videos in multiple niches with this method. You can, there's all type of niches: fishing niche, gardening, greenhouse, guitar. So there's a huge opportunity for you to make a ton of videos and a lot of money using this method. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is click on download, and that is it. Click on generate video. It's going to generate the video and you're going to be able to download it to your computer. So once this is done, you're going to have a download button and you can download this to your computer and upload it to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you guys some examples of YouTube channels that are using this method and they are getting a lot of views. And if you are going to use this method too, you're going to get a lot of views and you can make a lot of money using this method. So this is one of the YouTube channels that is using this method as well. So this YouTube channel, Remedies One, is using this method, is using Content Samurai to create his videos, and he has up to 232,000 subscribers on this channel. As you can see, most of the videos, you can see if you click on any of the videos, you're going to see
whether it's out of desperation, especially when it comes to strategic eating. In the bell icon so you will be the first. Also contains omega-3 fatty acids that promote hair growth by keeping your scalp.
As you can see, guys, they're using this Content Samurai to create easy videos that anyone can do, and they're getting a lot of views. This video alone has 3 million views, and if you are promoting a product, and you can see they're promoting their product at the bottom of the description, this is the exact method that you can use to make money with this method. So you can go to this channel, Remedies One, and also model what they're doing, like the type of videos they're making, and how they monetize the videos by putting the links in the description. So they have a ton of videos and they're getting a lot of views.
Big eyes, rosy lips, and the best of all, a sharp nose. The nose being the before you watch the videos daily, and you will be able to. So
guys, this is a huge opportunity, and all you have to do is to take action. And this is another YouTube channel that is using this method to get sales, to get a lot of traffic and sales with this method. So you can also go to this YouTube channel as well and model what they're doing. For example, he has up to 671,000 subscribers on this channel. If you click on one of these videos, you're going to see how
yellow or orange blooms. The new video. Witch hazel is a garden shrub with beautiful bright yellow or orange blooms. The extract of it's very simple. Just take a dab of witch hazel on a cotton production. It is mild and safe.
So guys, that's it. They're making a lot of videos using Content Samurai and with simple copy and paste articles, and anyone can do this. So all you have to do is take action on this and create these videos. For example, you can see these videos up to 30,000 views in 3 days. So if you are promoting a Clickbank product using this method, you're going to get a lot of traffic to your affiliate offers, and you can make a lot of sales with this. And you don't need to create any video, you don't need to be on camera, and you only have to do copy and paste PLR articles that are already written and of high quality. And all you have to do is to add your calls to action in the video, and just click on once the video is done, you have to click on once the video is generated, you're just going to have a button to download the video, and you're going to download it to your computer and you can upload it to your YouTube channel. So that is it, guys. If you found this video valuable, please click on the subscribe button and the like button. Also, if you want to see my best highly recommended method to make money online, click on the video in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.